Tired of that Wati free trial and ready to say goodbye before you get charged? Then follow along, because in the next 90 seconds, I'm going to show you exactly how to permanently delete your Wati free trial account. First, log into your Wati account using your email and password. Once you are logged in, look for the profile icon, settings menu, or account management section. This is usually located in the top right corner, or in the sidebar navigation. Click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. Scan through the options for something along the lines of settings, account management, or, ideally, delete account. Select the option that allows you to manage your account settings. You might be taken to a new page or see a pop-up window asking you to confirm your decision to delete your account. Read the message carefully. It will likely warn you about losing your data. Now, Wati might ask you to confirm your identity or decision further. This could involve typing delete in a text box, selecting a reason for leaving, or even entering your password again. Complete the necessary steps. Once you've followed all the prompts, you should see a confirmation message that your account has been successfully deleted. This usually appears at the top of the page or in a pop-up window. To be absolutely sure, try logging out of Wati and then attempting to log in again. If your account has been successfully deleted, you should not be able to access it. Finally, to be 100% safe, set a reminder in your calendar for about a week from now to check your bank statements and ensure no unexpected charges from Wati have appeared. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your Wati free trial account. Now you can rest easy knowing you won't be charged unexpectedly. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and subscribe for more tutorials.